Transform your smile with Pasadena's premier dental implant specialists at our leading practice, led by Dr. Jennifer Cha. Combining advanced technology with gentle, personalized care, we've helped countless local patients rediscover their confident smiles. Our state-of-the-art practice offers cutting-edge implant solutions right in your neighborhood, eliminating the need to travel far for exceptional dental care. Whether you're dealing with a single missing tooth or requiring full mouth restoration, our expertise ensures natural-looking results that last. Experience the difference of our truly customized implant treatment, where your comfort and satisfaction are our top priorities. Don't let missing teeth hold you back any longer. Join our family of satisfied patients right here in Pasadena. Schedule your consultation with our team today at 626-577-7770 and take the first step toward your perfect smile.